Fiona saves today's apartment marketer time and money by predicting and planning hyperlocal digital campaigns. Here's how Fiona simplifies all your multifamily marketing with the Marketing Breakdown tool. Begin by logging into Fiona. Select your desired property and take a deep breath of relief as your custom budget recommendation populates the page. Based on an infinite and ever-changing database, the data is all specific to your property, highlighting competitive features for your local market. Fiona will then select the most effective uses of your budget while excluding those that won't yield a high return. She explains the logic behind each recommendation as she analyzes hyperlocal trends, advertising demands, and renter activity, ensuring your ad dollars are only spent where it matters. Want to change your budget or selected campaigns manually? Just dial in your details and click Recalculate. Fiona provides a simple plan of action for you and your team's success, so that when it comes time to purchase advertising, everyone on your team is crystal clear on the direction. Fiona simplifies it all for your marketing campaigns. Visit myfiona.com to request a demo today.